Have you ever seen commercial trend videos where they show their product and rotate the camera around it? Hello, friends. How are you? The first step is to create a camera and set it in place. Then we select the object, and after pressing Shift-A, we create an axis plane. Now we have an empty. An empty is an invisible object that has no geometry, but is used for various purposes such as a position reference, a parent for other objects, or controlling animations. It can be used to move objects, adjust lights or cameras, and create animation controllers. So the next step is to print the camera to an empty. To do this, select the camera, then select the empty and press Ctrl+P. Then select the Object Keep Transform option. Let's see how it turned out. Oh, the camera orientation is wrong. We need to make the camera view rotate towards the object as the camera rotates. To do this, click on the camera to display its settings, then go to the Constraints section. Click Add Constraint and select the Track to option. Grab the eyedropper and click on the object. That's it. Now look at the final result. How nice it looks. The rest is a bit of creativity and detail. I keyframed the camera and interpolated the keyframes to make it move more smoothly and naturally and non-linearly. Please like it. It can help us a lot. Also, leave a comment and be sure to tell us what you think about the videos. Enjoy!